On number 10, I'm trying to solve using the square root property. And it looks a little bit different because I don't have an x squared, I have an x plus 3 squared. But how I solve the problem is pretty similar. I'm just going to take the square root of both sides, and that will eliminate that square. And it'll leave me with x plus 3. And this is equal to plus or minus, don't forget the plus or minus, square root of 64. Now the square root of 64 is 8. And then let's move the 3 over. So x is equal to negative 3 plus or minus 8. And because there's no radical left, these can be combined. So I actually will have x is equal to negative 3 plus 8, and x is equal to negative 3 minus 8. So x is going to be equal to 5, and x is going to be equal to negative 11. Now, if you want to check your work, you can always just plug in these two numbers back into the original equation, and it should make it true.